Hello everybody. Today we are going to discuss and learn about rate of change. Okay, again, rate of change. Okay, for example, class discussion 1, the question: a container contains water with the depth of x centimeter with the volume is given by V. The water is poured into the container at the rate of change 9 centimeter cubic per second. Okay, the question asks find the rate of change of water level when x equals to 6 centimeter. Okay, this is what I'm going to approach is by using flowchart. Okay, flowchart is given step by step until you get the final answer. Okay, step 1. Okay, but from the question we must know that okay, the volume is already given the formula. Okay, and from the information, okay, we must collect the information. Okay, by step 1, collect the information given. Okay, from here we can see that 9 centimeter cubic per second. Okay, as you can see, the unit of the water is 9 centimeter cubic per second. Okay, the unit is important for you to determine the rate of the water level. Okay, so for example, right, centimeter cubic brings you volume, unit for volume, and per second, okay, represent you time. Okay, time meaning T. V is volume is V. Okay, so how we write down the clue by using the unit. Okay, so dV dt. Okay, this is how you collect the information dV dt by refer to the unit. Okay, and then is it increase? Okay, so if the situation is increase, so the answer is yes. If decrease, okay, the answer is no. Write down, don't forget to write down the negative. Okay, next. Okay, between, is it increase? Yes. Okay, the answer is yes. Okay, so you color, okay, the arrows, and then step 2, okay, identify the third function. What is the third function? Okay, from the information given, you know the first info is V, and the second info is T, represent time. Okay, so the third party is either VT or another is the third party is what terms, which is X. Okay, so identify the third function or the third party. Alright, okay, so dx. Okay, the third function dx, because we already had dv and dt. Okay, so from the information, alright, is it a polynomial function? Is it a polynomial function? Okay, you know, volume means solids. Okay, there are two. Okay, it also can be a solid instead of area, and polynomial function also can. So if let's say you are not choose polynomial function, so you color no. Okay, here if it is a polynomial function, so okay, yes, kat sini here. Okay, you can choose yes, but now okay, because of you don't choose it as polynomial function, so you color no. And then next question, is it an area? If yes, okay, go to the step 2, but it is not, so no, you color no. Is it solid? Yes. Okay, if yes, and then work out the polynomial function. Okay, work out the polynomial function, meaning you know the function is v equals to 2 over 3 x squared bracket 6 minus x. So you have to expand first before you work out. Work out here meaning you have to differentiate, okay, to find the rate of v. Okay, so you get 2 over 3 times 6, so you get 4x squared minus 2 over 3 x power of 3. Okay, and then you work out. Okay, this is v, 4x squared minus 2 over 3 x cubed after you expand. Okay, and then differentiate respect to x. Okay, differentiate respect to x, so equals to 8x minus 3, so 2x power of 2. Okay, you bring in front times 3, so simplify, then minus 1, so you get 8x minus 2x squared. Alright, step 5. Okay, next step, step 4. Step 4, substitute the value of x, origin. Origin meanings, what is the value of x? So x equals to, given x is equals to 6, given from the question. So dv dx equals to 8 times 6 minus 2 times 6 squared. Alright, so the answer is negative 24. Okay, and then next step. Alright, and next step, step 5. Okay, work out the chain rule. Okay, for example, alright, left hand side must equal to right hand side. First of all, left hand side right equals to right hand side. dy dt equals to dy times over dt. So what is the third function? The third function is dx. Okay, so you dx, that means actually, okay, this is example. Okay, so what is the third party? Dx. Okay, next step, find the rate of change. Okay, so find the rate of change, you know, okay, from the information, you it is about volume. So therefore dv dt equals to, right, dv up and dt below. What is the third party? Dx. Okay, so from the information given, you know dv dt equals to 9 and dv dx, this is dv dx, okay, equals to negative 24 times dx dt. So the question asks you, find the rate of change of water level. The water level actually is the third party, which we call it as x. Okay, therefore simplify dx, therefore dt, okay, dx dt equals to 9 over negative 24. Don't let the answer like this, so equals to negative 9 over 24. Okay, so this is example, okay, from the flowchart of rate of change. Okay, you can try, okay, rate of change for class discussion 2. Okay, but before that, you must master how to complete the class discussion 1. Okay, and then let's look at the example of rate of change. Simple example. Okay, number 1, right, given that y equals to 3x squared equals to 2x and x is increasing, okay, at rate 2 unit per second. Find the rate of change when x equals to 4 unit. Okay, first step, okay, what is the third party? As you can see, okay, the first function is dy and dt because of rate of change. So if it about rate, so it must be involve time. Okay, so what is the third function? Okay, third function is dx. Okay, alright. Okay, collect the information given. Okay, 2 unit per second. Okay, so unit brings dx, second meaning dt. So this is the information given, and then alright, so polynomial, so you get y equals to 3x squared minus 2x. So dy dx, work out the differentiation, so 6x minus 2, and then when x equals to 4, therefore dy dx equals to 6 times 4 minus 2, so 22. Okay, finish. But last but not least, okay, identify the rate of change dy dt equals to dy above times dt below. So what is the third party? Dx. Okay, and then from the information given, we have data for dx dt. So this is dx dt and dy dt, no, dy dx. Okay, and then substitute the value 22 times 2. So the answer for rate of change of y equals to 44. Okay, so example 1. Okay, let look for example that involve area. Okay, for this question, area of circle. Okay, the area of circle of radius r increases, okay, at constant rate 10 centimeter square per second, and find the rate of change of r when r equals to 2 centimeter. Okay, so use pi equals to 3.142. Right? Okay, first collect the information. So 10 centimeter squared per second. So what is the rate for the unit? Refer to the unit. So dA dt. Okay, what is the third function? Third function, okay, third function, okay, you know dA and dt is involved, so third function is dr. Okay, and then, okay, what is the area of circle? Area of circle is pi r squared. Okay, so A, so differentiate dA respect to r, so you get 2 pi r, and substitute when r equals to 2, therefore dA dr equals to 2 pi times 2 equals to 2 pi, and let the answer in terms of pi. After that, okay, work out the rate of change dA dt equals to, okay, dA above times dt below. Okay, so again, left hand side equals to right hand side. What is the third function? dr. Okay, so what information that we have? So dA dt, and then dA dr. Okay, dA dr, and then substitute the value. dA dt equals to 10, dA dr 4 pi times dr dt. Is it correct? We want to find the rate of change of r. Okay, dr dt meaning rate of change of r. Okay, and then therefore final answer dr dt equals to 10 over 4 pi, right, equals to 5 over 2 pi. Okay, let the answer in terms of 5 is it's okay. Okay, so I think that's all for now. Okay, until we met again for next lesson. Thank you very much. Bye.